Hello guys and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy your Fantom coin step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate your browser, be it Safari or the Google Chrome app. Once you've logged into the Google Chrome app, you're going to have to enter the web address for coin market cap like so. And once you've done that, you click on the first link, taking you directly to coinmarketcap.com. We're going to be searching for the Fantom coin. You click on the Fantom coin, you scroll down and you take note of its blockchain. It's built, or rather it is on the Ethereum blockchain. You copy its wallet address, you minimize your app, and you go straight on to Trust Wallet. Whilst you're trying to log into Trust Wallet, you'd be met with a prompt to input your passcode. And once you've done that, it opens up like so. And we're in the Trust Wallet section. And at the top right corner of your screen, there's a toggle there to add coins or remove. We're going to be pasting the Ethereum wallet address. We're going to be pasting the wallet address for the Fantom coin. We're going to be activating it. And once we're done here, we're going to the DApp section and we're going straight to PancakeSwap to either swap or exchange our coin. Give the app some time to load. You give PancakeSwap some time to load. Once it's loaded in, you switch the network to the Ethereum blockchain. And once you're at the Ethereum blockchain, we're going to be pasting the contract address we just copied. And we're going to be importing the Fantom token. You click on import, you click on I understand, and you click on import again. And through this, we'd be able to convert or swap our Fantom coin to USDT or Ethereum itself. So comment down below guys if you have any questions regarding how to convert or swap your Fantom coin on Trust Wallet. Thank you.